Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to add an image in HTML. I'm going to give you two methods. The first one is using HTML img src attribute. The src attribute defines the path of the image file. You can use relative paths from your project folder or absolute paths for full system or URL paths. Using this syntax, you'll get, for example, this one, and here the image file is stored inside the Geeks folder. The second method is to insert image from folder using CSS. With CSS, you can set an image as background of an element using the syntax, for example, like this command on HTML. In this case, the geek/html tutorial.jpg file is used as a background image for the div file. A pro tip: use relative paths when your image is in the project folder, or use absolute paths only for local testing, and always include an alt attribute for accessibility and SEO. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.